Now let us briefly talk about Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS and iPadOS. It features calculation or computation capabilities, graphing tools, pivot tables and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. Excel forms part of the Microsoft 365 suite of software. Now here are some things that you can do with Excel. You can enter and manage data into spreadsheets to track your expenses, sales or anything else you need to keep track of. You can use Excel to calculate ROI, create budgets and forecast sales and similar financial analysis. Excel has a bunch of built-in tools for creating charts and graphs, so you can visualize your data and make it easier to understand. You can use Excel's Visual Basic for Applications or VBA to automate tasks and create custom functions. You can manage your time by creating to-do lists, track your progress, and set deadlines. You can use Excel to create project plans, track your progress, and assign tasks to team members and hence managing your tasks. You can also use Excel to create financial models to forecast future performance or make investment decisions. Managing your customer relationships by tracking customer data, creating reports, and sending out emails can also be done with the help of Excel. Excel is used by businesses of all sizes, from small businesses to large corporations. It is also used by individuals for personal and educational purposes. Excel is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. If you're looking for a way to organize, manage, and analyze data, then Excel is a great option.